Okay, question 12 to 14 says use the following information. In a bag they're putting 3 yellow apples, 5 green apples, 7 red apples. Once an apple selected, I've underlined already for you here, it's not replaced. Not replaced is going to mean the next time you go in, there's going to be one left. So you can increase or decrease your probability of grabbing something with repeated choices. It says find each probability. Number 12 says, give me a yellow one first. So look, I got 3 yellows. I got 10, 15. 3 out of 15 times 1 red. Red's going to be 7, but this time I already have taken out one of my yellow ones, so now I only have 14. Now, it'd be gigantically slick and cool if you actually reduce things before you multiply. I'd take 3/15. I'd make it 3 divided by 3 is 1, 15 divided by 3 is 5, 1/5. Then I'd take 7/14. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me what 7/14 reduced? Lucius? 1/2. Now, 1/5 times 1/2. 1 times 1 is 1, 5 times 2 is 10. You got a 1/10 chance of getting a yellow, then a red. Next one says 2 greens. I think once you do multiple colors, you'll see the pattern even better. Greens are going to be 5/15. We're putting all the apples back in the bag. After I've taken out 1 green one, I started out with 5. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me how many greens are left after I take one out? Yeah, 4. Now don't make that really easy mistake. You've taken out a winner already. How many do I have left on my denominator? 14. Now, same thing. You could go kind of knucklehead math and multiply when you have really big numbers, but no. If I reduce before I multiply, it's slicker and easier. 15 divided by 5, 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. 15 divided by 5, 3. I get a 1/3 here. 2/14 and 2/14. 4 divided by 2, 2. 14 divided by 2, 7. I get a 2/7. Easier for me to think than to say. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 7, 21. 2 21st. Last but certainly not least, I got 2 yellows. Now, yellow's going to be way harder to get because how many total yellows do I have in the bag to begin with? 3. Taylor? 3. I want you to actually pick out 2 of them back to back. Because the word probability of 2 yellows, I got 3/15 times 2/14. So now, 3/15 reduces 1/5. 2/14 reduces 1/7. 1 times 1 is 1, 5 times 7, 35. I am only having a 1 out of 35 chance of getting 2 yellows in a row.